Hey everyone, it's Pudding Fish Cakes here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make this gumball machine charm out of polymer clay. So first you'll need some polymer clay, and I'm using Sculpey 3 oven baked clay. You'll need some red, and I'm using pearl red. You'll need some white, and I'm using the pearl color since it's a little more shiny. You'll need some gray and some black. And then you can choose a bunch of different colors for your gumballs. So I'm using pink, purple, yellow, blue, green, orange, and red. You'll also need an eye pin if you want to make this into a charm. You'll need a hobby knife or a blade. You'll also need some glaze to make your charm more durable and shiny, and I'm using Sculpey gloss glaze. And lastly, you'll need a brush to put on your glaze. We're going to start by making the base of your gumball machine. So take your red clay and first condition it. Now take a bit of your clay out, and we're going to use this later. So take your bigger piece and roll it into a ball. Now we're going to roll just one side of it. And press down on the base so that it's flat. Now take your blade, and we're going to just cut off the top of it. Now, taking your silver clay, we're going to condition it first and then flatten it out. And using the back of your blade, we're going to make an indent through the middle. Now take your black clay and roll it into a ball, then press it down to make a circle. So take your white clay or your pearl clay, depending which color you're using, and condition it first. Next, to make the top of your gumball machine, we're going to make 3 balls of red clay, and each one should be smaller than the previous. Now, starting with your largest ball, press down so it makes this circle shape. Then your second largest, press down again, and we're going to put this on top of the previous one. So it should look like this. And then your last ball, put it right on top and press down just a bit. Now we're going to start making the gumballs. So just take each of your colors and make little tiny balls and press them right onto your gumball machine. If you would like, we will also be putting a band at the bottom of your gumball machine. Take a bit of clay and roll it out into a thin strip. Now your charm is ready to be baked. Make sure you follow the instructions on your clay package. I'm using Sculpey 3, and so it says 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes per 6 millimeters. This gumball machine will probably take 20 to 30 minutes to bake. So now I just baked my charm and I let it cool down first, so now I'm going to start glazing it. I hope you guys liked this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.